and Adam, your big day is actually here. Does it feel real yet? No. Look out on these friends and family who have gathered here today. Take a moment and bask in the reality of all these different groups of people who are here today to celebrate with you. Look at how many are here today to wish you well. Look at how many have gathered to send forth their love and blessing as you begin your married life together. Today is a day centered on love. There's the love of your friends and family who have traveled from near and far to be here with you this day. There's the love of the friends and family who have nurtured and cared for you and your relationship over these many years and many miles at times. There's the love of family and friends who have just promised to continue caring for you and supporting and encouraging you for the rest of your lives.
Let the adventure begin. Lissy, today is the day. It almost feels fitting to say we made it. We've made it through high school, through college, the beginning of our careers in grad school. Along the way, we have had some of the best times and the times that haven't been the easiest. We've made it to this point through love, hard work, and our commitment to each other. I will be standing by your side in just a few hours, and it truly feels like the finish line. But I know, and you should know too, that this is not the case. When we are making our vows to each other this afternoon, it will be the closing of a 9-year chapter of our lives and the amazing start of the next chapter. For that reason, it is not the finish line, but the starting point of our lives together. We've made it here by being a team. Today, though, we will become more than just a team. We will be joined together as one. But in my eyes, Liz, you will continue to be the same best friend and the same amazing woman that you have always been. This is the beginning of a future filled with whatever we dream. Congratulations to us. I cannot wait to spend the rest of our lives together and continue to grow the way we have been for the past 9 years. I love you so much, Liz, and I can't wait to see you walk down the aisle. Love always, Adam.
Cheers to today! Best day ever!
To my future husband, it's been 3,351 days of loving you, and today we are finally here. After what feels like a lifetime of long 4-hour drives, weekend see you soons, and many milestones along the way, a new journey begins, and I couldn't be more excited. I am truly the luckiest girl around to have your constant laughter and ability to make me smile. Thank you for the endless punch buggy competitions, Sun's ice cream dates, and opportunities to push me outside of my comfort zone. Most of all, thank you for loving and respecting me at the times I found it hard to love myself. The greatest thing I love about you is your heart and your compassion for everyone. Today I marry my best friend, the one I love, the one I laugh with, live for, dream with, and love. I cannot wait to call you my husband in just a few short hours. I love you forever and always, even during hunting season. It's your future wife, Liz. To be a good husband, don't play video games. Do not give Miss Lambert nightmares. Give Miss Lambert a pet llama. You should not forget that Miss Lambert loves French fries.
Liz, as I look at you tonight, I can't help but reflect on all the years I have had the opportunity to watch you grow and become the beautiful woman you are today. Someday, when you meet that someone that you want to spend the rest of your life with, you want the rest of your life to start as soon as possible. This is it.
Don't cry. You like it?
Very nice. Don't cry. You're gonna make me cry. Love you. Don't cry.
not me. I like that.
Worth waiting for. That's beautiful.
You like it?
Love is a profoundly tender, passionate affection for another person. Wikipedia adds that love can also be a virtue and that it encapsulates a whole bunch of emotions. John, age 9, says, "See if the man picks up the check. That's how you know it's really love." And from Disney's Olaf, which is not an elementary student, but I thought might make your cut, defines love by saying, "Love is putting somebody else's needs before yours."
It's been a little over 9 years since we began our journey together. We've spent time getting to know each other. We've navigated the ups and downs, learning our strengths, weaknesses, flaws, and everything in between. Today, there's no better feeling than knowing that the person standing next to me has loved you through it all. The good times and the bad, the not so great fashion choices, the craziness of finals and report card season, the transitions from the security of college to the adult world, law school, and beyond. But through it all, I knew I could always count on you. Together, we have grown up, and I'm forever grateful to have found someone so caring, forgiving, compassionate, supporting, and loving as you are. And today, Adam Dew, I'm so excited to begin my life with you.
Liz, here we are. 9 years in the making, we have made it through distance, holidays, high school, college, grad school, and some of the most profound changes that life has to offer. We have made it here not by chance or by accident, but through a lot of hard work and a lot of love. As we stand here today, this ceremony marks the end of a 9-year-long chapter in our lives and signals the commencement of the rest of our lives. I want you to know that what I am about to promise you in front of God, family, and friends is the same love and hard work that got us here today. I love you, Alyssa. And although the chapters will be different, the story will be the same. Different only in the sense that you will no longer be my girlfriend or fiance, but you will be my wife. The same in that you will still be my partner and my best friend, just as you've always been. I cannot wait to continue on life's journey with you by my side. Happy wedding day, baby.
Happy wedding day.
You look so beautiful.
Thank you. You like it? Want to get married?
I do.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Adam and Alyssa Dew.
Summer is burning, burning up the highway. Your hair is golden, golden in the heat wave. We'll keep it steady, steady on this night drive. We're getting ready, ready for the high tide. Let's go take a dive in the tropic heat. You and I on the beach, swaying in the breeze. I bathe in your summer light, soak in your ocean eyes. You are the sunshine. I'm not gonna let you go.
When Adam started spending time with Alyssa, I have to confess I was sad because I thought I was losing a brother. But as time went on, I realized that wasn't the case at all. Once we started spending time as a family, I realized that I didn't lose a brother, I gained a pretty darn good sister. And after all, someone who likes Disney as much as me can't be as bad
You guys have put in a lot of work to make it to this point. 9 years of long distance, including high school, and I don't know many people who have done that, so that's pretty special. So to my new brother Adam and to Alyssa, you guys, I love you so much. I'm so proud of you and the future that you've forged together, and I will keep my comments brief because as Alyssa likes her sermon short, keep Christ in Christmas, love each other, and go forth and have a great life together.
Just take it, there's no reason we should waste it. Oh, 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 there's no mistaking when the sunlight's calling. Ready now for all that's coming. Oh, 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 we're standing at the edge of all that lies ahead. I think we got it, the life we want. Feels like everything is going our way. I think we made it after all the waiting. It feels like everything is going our way. The day is ours and we can take it. Open up your arms, embrace it. Oh, I think we got it, the life we